Hello IG Garage family. Are you seeing a check engine light and a P0418 code on your dashboard? If so, your secondary air injection system or SAI could be in trouble. In this video, we'll dive into what P0418 means, where the air injection valve or sensor is located. Trust me, the location is key. And how to diagnose and fix it. Stick around till the end for my suggestions of two related videos. P0532, which covers the AC pressure sensor, and P0025, which deals with camshaft timing over advanced. Let's get started. The P0418 trouble code refers to secondary air injection system, specifically the air switching valve A, circuit range or performance problem. What's happening here is that the air injection valve in your car's secondary air injection system is either malfunctioning or not operating properly. The secondary air injection system helps reduce emissions by pumping extra air into the exhaust during cold starts, reducing harmful emissions like CO and HC. Here are the symptoms of P0418. Check engine light or CL, rough engine idle during a cold start, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased exhaust emissions. The causes of P0418 include a faulty air injection valve, which is the most common cause. The valve may get stuck or fail. Broken or disconnected vacuum hoses can also be a culprit. If there's a leak, it may not allow enough air into the exhaust. Electrical issues, such as faulty wiring, poor connections, or blown fuses, can prevent the air switching valve from working properly. A clogged air injection system due to carbon buildup or debris can block the system, causing low airflow. Lastly, a failed or dirty secondary air pump will affect air injection. The air injection valve or air switching valve and other related components are located in specific places depending on your car's engine layout, but here's where you typically find them. The air injection valve is often located near the exhaust manifold, usually on the driver's side of the engine. In some models you may find it close to the secondary air pump or on top of the engine, especially if your car has a V6 or V8 engine. You'll need to follow the vacuum hoses or pipes that lead to the exhaust manifold to locate the air injection valve. The secondary air pump is often positioned near the front of the engine, mounted to the frame or under the intake manifold. On some vehicles, you may need to remove other parts to get to the pump, so refer to your vehicle's manual. Tip: if you have trouble finding these parts, always check for a vacuum hose or electrical connector leading to the valve or pump. Alright, let's dive into diagnosing and fixing the P0418 code. First, inspect the air injection valve. Check for any visible damage or corrosion around the valve. Use a multimeter to see if it has electrical continuity. If the valve is faulty, you'll need to replace it. Next, inspect the vacuum hoses. Look for any cracked, broken, or disconnected hoses. Replace any damaged hoses to ensure proper airflow. Then check the secondary air pump. Listen for any unusual sounds or signs that the pump isn't working. If the pump doesn't run, it might need to be replaced. Now inspect the wiring and fuses. Look for corroded or damaged wires and connectors. If a fuse is blown, replace it and test the system again. Finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code after making the repairs. Start your car and check if the problem persists. So that's how you tackle the P0418 secondary air injection system, air switching valve A, circuit range performance problem. This issue might seem small, but if left unchecked, it can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Before you go, check out these related videos for more essential car repair tips. First, P0532 AC pressure sensor low voltage, and second, P0025 camshaft timing over advanced. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car repair tips. Thanks for tuning in to IG Garage. See you next time.